What's so funny?
How do you still have fingers?
Huh?
How do you still have fingers?
I don't know. I already cut it off one time with this one, but it's okay.
Why are you using this? Why didn't you use the other one?
Which one?
The one that...
Why didn't you tell me earlier before I started all of this?
Because sometimes I wonder a lot about you.
Shut up.
Just get the other one. You forgot. Look at that. Look how awesome this thing
Oh,
is.
it actually is good.
Look at
Why
that.
didn't you tell me earlier?
Like, babe, stop using your fingers. Use this thing that they...
That's why one day I ended up with that.
I know. She literally cut her finger because she was using this thing right here and not this. And look how nice it makes it. It's actually very good too. Look at this. It's actually very good.
It is good.
So she's making me borscht and she's using this and she has this. And the crazy part is it comes with this awesome little suction right here, right over here. So whenever you try to move it, it doesn't come out at all.
No, and it comes with extra blades. Like whatever you want to do. You want to make like shred whatever carrots, you got this. You want to make flat potato fries, you got this.
Even
you
cheese.
Yeah, like cheese, you got this for cheese.
Yeah, this thing is awesome, man.
It
Like,
is. It's very useful in the kitchen.
it's insane.
I
love
wish
it.
he told me earlier. I literally forgot.
I'm not a she, I'm a he.
I wish he told me earlier. I literally forgot I have it because it's been in my drawer. I literally forgot I have it. I'm like, this
Yeah,
is
because you constantly rip your fingers with this thing.
and I'm like, it's gonna save me so much time.
Look
so
how
much
many
faster.
she has to do.
I need to do this,
my
and
God.
so this will literally. It will take me to shred all of this, and for like I don't know, 10 minutes with this. But with this, it'll take maybe 5 minutes.
Not even.
It doesn't say maybe.
Yeah, you guys need one of those. Like, it's amazing. Look at that. Like, good. Yeah, if you guys don't have one of these, y'all definitely need one.